Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? You can hear me now? Let's go, dude. I've never streamed before. Dude, they call me DJ Easy Mode. I don't know what we're doing, Bobovich. What do you want to do? Can I do copyrighted music? What will happen? New features since last night? No, but I could preview some for you right now if you want. I have them. I have them in the chamber. I have the new features in the chamber, so I could. Let me see how Claude's doing right now. Because I could, if he's done doing my bidding, then I could switch branches and show you guys this new thing, which is going to be sick. Let me just pause Claude. I will switch to a new branch if you give me just a moment. Yeah. Just a moment. Restarting the server. So how is everybody? I mean, yo, there's like several people in here. This is crazy. What's up? Was all this vibe coded? I mean, no. It's like it's been a lot of research, but I mean, Claude is involved in heavily in every single step. So vibe coded, yeah. I mean, yes and no. It's like carefully guided Claude, like lots and lots of training, lots of research, lots of engineering. But yeah, like I'm not gonna like I could write the code with a pencil if I wanted to, but I'm not going to. Like, you know, just like I'm not gonna do that. When I could implement 6 features at a time, it's way more fun. New feature that I'm going to show you. So this is spectral control, and we're doing this by yanking around the layers in the model. Let me make sure that it loaded here. Experimental. So this was, yeah. So fuck shit. This is highly experimental, just like the channels, but this is a brand new feature. So let me show you. Got it. All right, you got a taste for what it sounds like. Check it. So what we have here with these these new channels here, we're yanking the layers of the model around according to results of of some research that I've been doing. So it's not your typical like EQ. This isn't just an EQ. What it is, when I turn up brightness, it increases the amount of bright stuff that the model will output. So it might add it, and it depends heavily on what the input is. It's like it's not deterministic. It's not a simple EQ. It's like we're guiding the model towards producing more bright stuff. So it might present itself as extra hi-hats. It might just be an overall brighter mix. It's really interesting, but it is not an EQ. So this is like, we get some similar results with these channels. Like for instance, I suspect that channel 14 and channel 19 here have to do with density. But they need to be classified. That's why they're just like unlabeled as like just literally the channels. But I'm gonna publish the results I have on this stuff soon. Let me read this. At 1.5 XL will be possible. It is possible. Point. It is possible. XL is possible on 24 gigs. It's just like it's possible right now. In fact, if you have a 24 gig card and want to try it and give us some feedback, it'll be really helpful. Because like it works. I've got it obviously running on a 5090. Marco got it running on his 4090. We just found that it's not as stable as we'd like it to be, so we haven't been like pushing it. But it's already in there. You just run it with fucking you just do specify checkpoint XL as an argument when you start the little web demo here. So if you want to try it and let us know how it goes, that'd be great. And let me know. I'll send you some LoRa's. I have XL LoRa's. I just haven't posted them yet. 3060 here. Let's light my Peter on fire. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it will catch fire. It's really hot it gets really hot in my office, so I'm sure we are all on the same page there. But you have to do a lot of babysitting to make it work. Mix of AIs to help me code every day. Oh yeah, we're still on the vibe coding discussion. You know, I could write code with a pencil, but I don't. And for I don't because it's not as fast. Let's fucking go back here. I want to try a different. Am I allowed to use copyrighted material here? I think this is like against Streamer 101. Like, to show my file system is probably the stupidest thing I could possibly do. 2 fingers. Let's go. 2 fingers is this guy. I'm wearing his hat right now. Yo, my dad lives in Florida. I'm up in Massachusetts. It's it's different, man. I've been considering Florida very deeply because there's no income tax, and my dad's there, and I really like it. I really like Florida. I don't mind the heat, whereas the winter is like pretty brutal in my opinion. Let's do full track here. Yeah, thank you guys for hanging out. I'd never streamed before, so I figured I'd just fucking try it. Oh, I forgot. There's another button. Swap failed. Nice. Hell yeah. I don't know why. Let's see what we get. Source swap aborted. Engine not built. Oh, I don't have a. I'm an idiot, dude. I don't have a 2-minute engine built. That's so annoying. We should just enhance that that loading screen there. It like forces you to do 2 minutes. We should just make it adjustable. By the way, we're forcing 2 minutes here, but any of you who want to do longer, you can circumvent that in the config file, which is located here. That is the location of the config file, and you can override this 2-minute limit. I've tested it up to 4 minutes. If you have like a 6000 Pro, you could probably go insane here. But yeah, good. Yeah. What's up? What's up? More HL More 96. What's going on? Have you played around Stable Audio 3? I have a little bit. I've been talking with the stability stable audio dude. So CJ, I met CJ once in Texas, so we had this connection. But he does like live coding, like live programmatic music. So he saw this and was like, "Yo, let's go." So yeah, I've only played with it a little bit since last night. I came up for air after releasing this yesterday and had a chance to play with it. But only for like 5 minutes, and it didn't really do it justice at all. You find I guess we could do Tom's Diner clip. We give this a try, see what we can do. I just posted a short doing this. All right. So here, but let me back up. I'll tell you guys what I'm doing, I guess. So I just picked the song Tom's Diner, and Marco implemented this, but it's using Melformer to separate the vocal stems. And then here you can decide what to actually send to the model. So we're gonna, hopefully we'll harden this soon. But so if I were to send the full track, I'll get the vocal stems to play with, but we'll send the model the full song with the vocal stems. But I'm going to select instruments here. We're going to send just the instrumental with the vocals ripped off using Melformer. This is probably the coolest add-on that Marco did here. He's gonna do some. I can't wait to see what he does next. Well, let's give this a shot. Mindbots, what's up, yo? What's going on? They have who's got dope? Stable Audio has Onyx stuff. You want to hear how Laura? Yeah, me too. Laura's with Stable Audio 3. What's y'all's experience like with Stable Audio 3? Like I've spent probably like 10 minutes with it, so I'm not really qualified to answer at all. But I'm curious what you guys think of it. Robot Sound Music. Thank you for letting me know. Do you? I want to think of like the best way. I can like write this down. Oh, so the looping thing we've identified as very important. So I don't know what your specific error was, but this is next on the docket for Joelle on the team. He's going to like spend a whole day literally on this loop here, on the looper function, because it's like, all right, so magenta is like this super impressive auto-regressive model from Google, you know, and it's like really, really impressive. And it will, the thing that Magenta can do that Daemon cannot is do music forever. So what we sort of realized is like, dude, if the loop just worked better, then we've got endless music solved. So the loop function, it sucks that it wasn't working, but we're on it, dude. We're on it. If you want to give details on your specific like bad experience, that could help inform what we do to it. But if not, I suspect that it will just like be better, and then hopefully your error goes away. Yeah, just let me know. Share whatever details you want. Chop some tunes up into loops, and the entire thing looks fine. Sweet. Oh, nice, dude. Nice. I'm super happy to hear that. Yeah, we also. I'm not surprised to hear that you went right for looping. Like that's what I did, and like it seems obvious now in retrospect that we should have spent a little more time on it. I don't like it. I don't like it. What do you guys think? I think I sucks. I think it's terrible, man. I think that is terrible. Absolutely god awful, bro. Viver, what's up? Yo, what's up, Austin? Yo, you have music in your name. What's going on, bro? Welcome to the party. It's great to see you. I just realized, by the way, guys, that I had my audio coming out of my monitors and probably like feeding back. I hope it's better now. I don't have my headphones because I didn't actually expect this. See what we can do with density. and then on the loop I'll crank it down, and we'll get a different dynamic. I like that. I don't like that. So, yeah. Sorry about the echo. Is the echo gone? I hope so. Austin, thank you for the feedback, dude. Dude, yeah, Max for Live. I mean, Max for Live would be absolutely insane. Just absolutely crazy, dude. Okay, so I've been working on this project for a while. Imagine, dude, the LFO surface in Ableton. Like, this is fully capable of consuming that. Like, fully capable of consuming LFOs in Ableton Live. So it would just be freaking crazy, bro. Freaking crazy. We think that a VST is a good place to start, because it'll be portable across different DAWs. But ultimately, for live loopers like yourself, you know, I get the feeling Ableton's a big part of a lot of people's workflow. I really like Ableton. I've been in Cubase mostly lately, but Ableton is absolutely dope. Yeah, with like live looping, have you heard of Marc Rebier? I'm a big fan of Marc Rebier. Speaking of live looping, Austin, dude, I love live looping. Like, so I'm a guitarist and musician. I've got a DD7 delay pedal with the loop function on it. I've got that, and I've got a jam man with a dual loop. I haven't done it in a while, man, but I love, like, just making full tracks out of it. It's awesome. Really portable, huh? Let me restart this thing. Oh, yeah. Let's see what happens when we send the vocals in. So this time I sent in the full track, including the vocals. So the vocals will be, and the vocal melody is now included in this structure here and in the initial noise. So we should get something like materially different. One thing that I learned in music, one voice at a time. So this might be musically. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know how I feel about it with the vocals included in the structure. It's all right. Dude, the saxophone's fucking ridiculous, man. The hell? Latency be damned. I love this minor feel that we're getting here. It's like almost, yeah. My ear's not that good, but it's almost like minor harmonic. Very interesting. I don't know where this is coming from. So, yeah, Hunter's in here. Dude, I don't know. Oh, so Hunter, I'm demoing the spectral research here, so it could be coming from this. So more on the spectral research, we actually get. So I've identified these layers here, but you can manually crank these layers. Like you can literally pick the layer and the step and yank it around. So like I identified these ones, but there's a lot. Like there's a lot of stuff. Like I have no idea what any of these would do. So I'm curious if anybody like is motivated to try these out with me and figure it out. So Woo! A little much. All right, let's go back to something chill, dude. This ain't chill. This is like too much. I liked it better. I liked it better with the instrumental only as the input. The fireworks was really annoying when learning it. Fair. That is a fair point. Have any of you tried putting your own music into it at all? Nice feature would be able to bump the loop points forward or backwards a whole loop length. Okay, great feedback, man. Thank you. Like I said earlier, we're gonna spend at least like a full day focused entirely on the loop function. So that's a good one. And then, are there any other loop features, like Robot Sound or Austin, or anyone else in here that any other loop features that you'd want to see? Maybe cue points that the loop can jump to would also be nice. I'm curious to hear more about that. I'm not sure what you mean. Is there an analog if you can, like, additionally, if you have more info on that, that'd be great. But additionally, if you could just be like, in Cubase or in Ableton, it does this. We need that in the web app. We can do that too. All right, I'm gonna go grab my headphones, y'all. I'll be right back. Claude's gonna drive. Claude, you suck, dude. Did it actually do anything at all? Stupid ass Claude. Claude sucks, dude.
Cool. Yeah. So robots sound like there should be like an enabler for like performing something or what?
And that
Got kind of annoying. My headphones are like muffling this shit really bad. OBS is like rough for me, dude. I don't know how to use it.
I had a lot of trouble trying to remix this the other day. But let's see what happens. This was like really challenging the other day, but I'm gonna risk it. My voice is echoing? Okay. Better now? Okay. Swap build? Oh, I don't have a fucking engine built, dude. So annoying. Oh. Bro, that's so annoying. Wonder how long it would take to just build the fucking engine real quick. The headphone mic was picking up too. Yeah, my bad about that. I don't have the 120-second engine built on my computer. By the way, I didn't prepare at all. I just on a whim decided to go live. Probably a terrible move, but is what it is. It is flipping out. Do you guys have audio? I don't have audio. There we go. Do you hear it? Sick. Let's fucking get rid of this shit. Let's do something else, dude. Probably keep those. Shit is bugging right now. Are we having a philosophical discussion? Here we go. Thank you, Chris. My boy Chris just provided us with a Lucifer clip to use. Let's go ahead and let's upload it. Let's upload it, dude. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna go instruments only here. Interesting. I guess that's not really necessary. I wonder if this is enough info for the model. This reminds me a lot of Stinkfist. Same notes. Are there no vocals in this? Oh, there's no vocals. Okay. I want to make it heavy, dude. Editing Ryan, dude? That guy's a dick. Editing Ryan's such a fucking jerk to me, bro. Here he is, man. So the reason I wanted to do something heavy is because this rough layer is very interesting. So notice it gives us more kick, more double bass. Now without. Anyways, I lost interest in that pretty quickly. Let's do a different song. Yeah, my computer is tweaking with OBS. What's up? What's up? Art. Great Hawken. Great to see you. Great to see you. I don't know why my computer's bugging so hard. I think it's OBS. Is it OBS or is it this huge freaking audio model I'm running in real time? I don't know. I couldn't tell you which one it is. Very choppy. Is it choppy? Yeah. Heard. I think it's OBS. I'm gonna restart this fucking thing over here. Oh yeah, dude. What the fuck? I don't know what. Yeah, it says poor quality. I don't know what's going on. I'm not like I have no idea what I'm doing, so I don't even know how to begin to diagnose this problem. Yeah, that sucks. YouTube, you suck, dude. I'm going to Twitch. I'm gonna be a Twitch streamer tomorrow. You hear me? You hear me? I'm bringing my business elsewhere. I'll be famous in no time. So, their loss. You feel me? 100%. It's better now? Too late. Already made up my mind. I'm leaving for Twitch. These idiots! Anyways. I don't know what Christmas Island is. Interesting. Interesting. Let's just go full remix here. What's going on, dude? What is it? Would you send me, Chris? What is this, man? Hunter, look at this bug. I can't see it. I can't see the inside confusion track. It's up there. It's locked up. It's locked away. Oh, look at that. Okay. Oh yeah, edge devices on the phone. I mean, we have a different class of model that will run on edge devices. Like we have auto encoders like from Brave, and what I suspect the Magenta team, what I suspect their new model is an auto encoder will run on CPU. And the Magenta one was producing in the demo that they showed. It was producing a full song. It wasn't, the quality wasn't there. It wasn't like the same as Suno or A-Step, but it was on device. Oh, dude, that's why this is fucking tripping out. What's brutal, Hunter? Oh, I want to show you guys the shuffle thing. Fuck, dude. Now I can't get the fucking... Okay. Dude, if I tune this just right, it will turn into a shuffle. I swear to God. Where is it? Why is this jumping by 0.05? It should be by 0.01. There we go. That's what I was looking for, yo. Would this run on a 2080 Ti? I'm not sure, man. Give it a try. Give it a try. How much VRAM is that? Yeah, you could use your LoRa's. Great question. Gonri? May I call you Gonri? Yes, you can use your own LoRa's. It's not built into the interface, but I will show you where it's located. So by default, it goes to your home directory under Daydream Scope, models, and then under Daemon. So it'll end up here. You can just put your LoRa's in here, with or without this metadata, this sidecar metadata. You could either drop your LoRa's in there, or you can put them in the config file in the frickin' repo right in here in the astep.local. That's what I've done. That's why I have so many. So you can put them there. It will search these directories recursively for LoRa's. You absolutely can use your own LoRa's. For the hosted version, if that's something you need, please let us know. Oh, dude, I forgot this random layer was cranked all the way up. Okay, much more normal now. I had this random layer 12 just cranked to the maximum. And I was wondering why things were so strange. Oh, there we go. Did better looping. Oh yeah. 1, 2, ready, play. We need one more bar this way. That's what I'm fucking talking about, bro. The one thing about this, yo, is like when I get a banger, dude, that I'm really into, I like don't want to touch it anymore. It's like, yo, it's like, but I'll lose it. So actually, I will demonstrate as follows. You can export these, but as of now, it will not save these choices, which is critical to my setup right now. So that's something that we need to think about adding for sure. My loop sucks. 15, 3, 4. I think we just need to chop this lead off. All right. You see? Ah, way less cool, man. Let's go. Go indie, brother. I don't like it. A little better. Oh, that's awful. I don't know, man. I'm about to give up on this anyways. Point. You def need it on the hosted version? Heard. I honestly figured as much that LoRa's, like custom LoRa's on the hosted version would be a must. We just have to figure, there's like security implications, so we just have to figure that out. It's like, no, I'm not saying like you are a security implication, of course, but like just letting anybody in the world upload anything like that is tough. So we just need to work it out. But we'll get back to you on that one. Going from 16 gigabytes to 22 gigabytes of VRAM, I feel like I'm missing part of the conversation, but if you're talking about going from 60 seconds to 120 seconds, that sounds about right. That sounds about right. If you're having a lot of VRAM pressure, you can lower the depth. The VRAM scales with depth and it scales with song length. There's I'm really not into this indie rock shit. It's terrible. I want the pretty lady back. Where's the pretty lady? Oh, yo, I'm an idiot. It wasn't even doing that prompt this whole time. You're a moron. We gotta get lyrics in here, stat. All right, y'all. I gotta get back to work, but I appreciate y'all coming by. This was unexpectedly cool to have this many people come in. I didn't expect anybody at all, so it was really great to have you. Come hang out in the I want to keep talking to you guys. You should come in the Discord, and just come hang out. Let me find the link for it. I'll post it in the chat if you guys want. No pressure, obviously. No pressure. Oh yeah. Where is it? Here we go. Here's the freaking Discord. I'll be in there chilling while I'm working on this. Literally, you could come in there and spam us with feature requests. Like, we basically have to do it. So we want to do it. We literally want feature requests. So really great hanging out. I'm going to call it here. I'm going to do this again, and maybe I'll like plan it out, have headphones ready, and have the engines built and stuff. So thanks again for stopping by. Love you. Bye bye.